to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can get 1 GB on Airtel Uganda using the Airtel app. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And if you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open so that you can express all your ideas, and I'll be guiding you through using the comment section. So like the tutorial and then we continue. Make sure that your SIM card has never received this offer before, so that we're going to access a secure internet connection using the 1 GB of Airtel Uganda using the Airtel app. First and foremost, open Google Play Store, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to search this Airtel Uganda application. So the Airtel Uganda application, you're going to put Airtel app as I've written. Take note of the spellings, take note of the app icon. You're going to download this application called My Airtel. Take note of the log, which is Airtel Africa. Airtel Africa, the developer is Airtel Africa, and the name is Airtel Africa. So download this application in your Android device, iPhone, and then I don't know whether on Windows it can work, but I've confirmed Android and iPhone. So download, and then after downloading, install. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Give this application a few seconds so that it can load and allow all the necessary permissions that will be requested to you by this application. Don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I will be dropping you more Airtel Uganda offers on this YouTube channel. So let us wait for this application, and then this application is saying this: developers option is enabled. We have detected the developers option enabled on your device which is trying to access, and then we're going to just confirm that we understand the risks, and then we want to continue. But if you want to continue securely to protect your privacy, kindly disable the developers option in your phone settings so that your application and your funds on your SIM card Airtel can be protected and secure. So disable the developers option for your own benefit. Then tick that I understand the risk and then continue, but you must disable developers options, and then you're going to allow Airtel app to make and manage calls. Allow the permission, give it some few seconds, and then you're going to tap where you see let's get started right here. Then once you check what let's get started, you're going to put in your phone's number. Make sure that the phone's number you are putting right here has never received this offer before, because Airtel gives this offer once in a while. In this case, I'm going to put in my phone's number, and to protect my identity, I'm going to hide this number so that you cannot disturb me. Ugandans, we know you guys disturb a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. Now we're going to proceed to log in, and then allow to send the SMS. Don't forget to subscribe, share. We're going to select which SIM card is in that number, that very number. Mine is SIM card 2. Then check proceed. Now they are going to verify your number in a maximum of 1 minute. Now my mobile number is verified. Now we are fetching configurations. Now we're going to put in the referral code. Once you don't put in the referral code right here, you're not going to receive this offer. Capitalize your keyboard and then put H9. Wait, put H9, then L, capital L5, then put JU and then QN and then proceed. As you see, you have already received. Congrats, you will receive 1 GB of high-speed data shortly. And then once you see this, that means you have already received. You see the message? You have already received the 1 GB from Airtel Uganda. So my 1 GB is right here. Then you're free to close. And then once you close, you are going to be seeing the 1 GB right here. And if you fail to get it, you're going to comment below. I'm going to be helping you out so that you can also get your 1 GB using the Airtel Uganda application. This offer is valid. Uh, this offer is eligible to only those people with new Airtel Uganda SIM card, and then you have never received this offer before. That is the eligibility. That means you will receive this offer once in a while. So that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marustek, and then I sign out.